Dan got yelled at by this woman because she was telling him where to park.
Security lady was not happy with us. She directs us over there, and all she said was, just go over there, you know? So we go over there, and then when we get there, all we see in the background is she starts doing this, like, the most upset reaction ever. She was so mad. She starts directing towards the lines.
And then we're like, you didn't say to go there.
Yeah, you can tell she's just so, like, frustrated to be doing this right now. And apparently St. Thomas is like the #1 island for cruise ships. I guess they get like 5,000 to 15,000 new visitors per day in their cruise season. So she's just dealing with like drunk idiots coming off of a cruise every day. So I get it. I get the frustration.
You made her mad.
She was pissed.
We're on the big red barge. This is the car ferry that goes to St. John. And once again, I'm having a little motion sickness. St. Thomas is not for the faint of stomach. I think I said that yesterday. The roads here are definitely windy, definitely bumpy, especially if you go off-roading like we did. But most of all, it's very hilly. Now we're on the ocean, and of course the ocean is an ocean, so we're going up and down. It is beautiful though, so I'm trying to get past it. My dad always taught me to look at the horizon, so that's what I'm doing. But
Speaking of looking at the horizon, let's look at these waves.
Trunk Bay. Drop the flav.
I can't even tell you what flavor that is. It just tastes like spicy.
Mine's peach.
This is why I love Haley.
Huh?
She's so nurturing.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Is that sarcasm or are you serious?
No, you're helping me out. You're looking out for me.
Today, we woke up and we're like, what the heck do we do? Did we do it all? No. I found this little hidden beach about 10 minutes away from where we're staying. It's called Scott Beach. No one else is here right now. We're enjoying the sun. And our plan is to just maybe get some lunch and a drink after this. And then we have dinner plans later at the Old Stone Farmhouse, which is supposed to be pretty upscale and fancy. So I'm excited for that. I'm going to dress up. Outfit check later.
Come on.
What are we going to do before that?
So we're heading to Drake's Seat. Basically, it's a very high point in St. Thomas where you can see the sunset. And it's right near Megan's Bay where we're going to have dinner. So we're going to get to Drake's Seat a little earlier, watch the sunset. We're gonna put on, dress to the nines, looking good, I guess this place that Haley booked later is pretty nice.
It's on fire, but you can't really tell.
That's delicious. Oh my god, that's a good dessert.
Danny and I are grabbing a quick bite to eat for lunch at Duffy's, and I asked for the bathroom key, and this is what they gave me. They make it a little bit embarrassing to go to the bathroom, and also makes you not want to steal it. Not that I would, but...
I saw you kicking that thing up back there. Seven challenge.
Your eyes look so blue.
Really?
Yeah. Does anyone else's boyfriend do this? Where are we going? Where are we going?
We're going to Old Stone Brewery.
Farmhouse.
Old Stone. We're going to Old Stone Farmhouse. So fancy. Oh, nice. Come on, take the bite, take the bite.